Hey guys, this is Alfie. Welcome back to my channel. It's another weekend, another shoe unboxing. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, it's gonna be different shoe. It's not a Jordan shoes, guys. Today I'm gonna show you my Coach, and I purchased this like super long time ago. And oh, by the way, I have a new whatchamacallit, a new ring light, and I bought it at Burlington, guys. I've never been to Burlington, and a lot of affordable stuff that they sell in there. So from um, computer or phone accessories to shoes, and they even have snacks in there. It's kind of like Ross or something. So we're not gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about my Coach shoes right here. So I don't know if they still, if the new box, if their new shoe box is gonna look like this still, because this one is like long time ago, guys. See, as you can tell by the box, right? So it says here this Coach shoe name is Frazier Napa Suede, and it's 10.5. And what is this, W, maybe white multi or something. So yeah, I have this shoes for a very long time, guys. So it has a red color inside the box, and then there's even their signature tissue paper. I really don't know if the new ones are still like this, because I haven't been to a Coach boutique for a very long time, guys. If I remember, I bought their shoes in San Francisco. They have like a boutique there in San Francisco, and and I don't know if it's still there. Maybe it's still there, guys. See, it's still in the plastic. I used this couple of times, and I really love shoes, and this is my first Coach shoes. So let me just remove it from the box, guys. So there you go. So I don't know if they still um keep their packaging the same like this, because it's been a long time. So let me just see, when was this purchase. So obviously the receipt was gone, but I'm pretty sure this is like more than 10 years ago, guys. Let me see. Yeah, and let me see. So this was the card and I don't have the receipt anymore. I throw it, so I don't know if it's still the same, if they still do this, on their shoe packaging, because I lost the receipt, guys. There's no more receipt. So anyways, so that's the box right here. If somebody owns these shoes, maybe you guys can tell how long ago this shoes was. So this is the brown, I don't know, dark brown box. And yeah, so if I don't use my shoes, guys, so I always keep it in the original packaging, just like this. See, still have the plastic from the shoe. Just remove it, guys. And what's inside here? They have this thingy. Hold on. So inside the shoe, it comes with this. I always keep it, to so the shape of the shoe is still preserved. See? So obviously it's still clean. Look, well, there's a little bit of dirt But so this shoe is made of leather, guys, and then it has a suede in the front right here. See, it's a little bit dirty. Looks like I've been using this for a while, for a couple of times before, and it has the Coach tag in there. And this one is size 10.5. Yeah, it looks like I've used this for a couple of times because the Coach logo there almost fades, and see the ankle there, and it looks used, but around the shoe it still look clean, guys. So this one is mixed with black and then blue and then white leather, and I don't remember how much I paid for this one. Maybe like $100 or something. I think this was on sale, guys, when I purchased this. And yeah, and it's just like a regular sneakers, and then it has the shoe, I mean the C logo here, the Coach logo. And I think I purchased this back maybe like 2008 or something like that. And it says here Frazier 10.5, made in China. And then there's also a Coach logo on the heels or whatever right here, the C logo in there. So the front one is made of suede, and then the back as well is suede, so the same as this one. So let me just put it on me, okay, guys? Hold on for a moment. All right, guys. So I'm wearing my shoe now, and this one can be like for everyday use, guys. You can also use it as a gym shoe, and or just like a regular shoe, or maybe you can use it at work too. And it's very comfortable, guys. Maybe I'm gonna start using this again. And yeah, so right now I'm on my gym outfit right here. And yeah, but I'm not wearing any socks. And yeah, the shoe is very comfortable, guys. Let me just go outside. And all right, guys, I'm outside the house. Let me just show you how it looks on me. All right, guys. So, yep, it's a very nice shoe, guys. So I think they still make this kind of style, right? I don't know if um, I think I've seen a lot of Coach shoes have this kind of like this line, the line design here, kind of like Adidas style, guys. I think they still make this kind of shoes. But again, this one is from almost 10 years ago, more than that, guys. And yeah, so this is leather, and then with combination colors of black, um, I think a little bit, I think it was like a purple, and then white, and then with leather and suede. And it's very comfortable, guys. And this was old model. So again, this was like more than 10 years ago, guys. So I bought it in San Francisco, and it's very, very comfortable shoes. So yeah, so anyways, that's gonna be my shoe unboxing for you guys from Coach. And yeah, it's a very um, nice shoe. It's like everyday shoe, guys. You can use it um, at the gym, or if you wanna go walking, or um, do your everyday errands. And yeah, it's very very comfortable, guys. So yeah, so again, this is mix of leather and suede, and it has three colors: black, blue, and white. And so that is my coach shoe, my very first coach shoe. So yeah, and I don't know if I'm gonna purchase another coach shoe. The coach is not that expensive, guys. Very affordable, and they have like a nice shoe design now. And so this was from 10 years ago. So again, this is Alfie. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a good day.